When in the Devi Bhagavatam, when Ma chooses to uh, to show her divine form to Himalaya, and this is mentioned in, I guess it's in Kurma Purana or Vaman Purana, where Devi shows her Vishwarupa, just like Vishnu showed it to uh, Krishna showed his form to Arjuna. Ma Devi showed her form to Himalaya, and Ma explained him the Yoga Vidya, the Pranava Vidya, Brahma Vidya. But then Himalaya said, what he said, O Mother Divine, now please tell me about your devotion. The devotion with which a simple householder can get you. कि एक साधारण मनुष्य भी आपको पाले, वैसी भक्ति क्या है आपकी माँ? Then माँ tells, माँ ही बताती है कि उनकी भक्ति क्या है. She tells, मार्गास्त्रयो में विख्याता मोक्ष प्राप्तौ नगाधिप कर्म योगो ज्ञान योगो भक्ति योगश्च सत्तमः त्रयाणामप्यं योग्य कर्तुं शक्तयोऽस्ति सर्वथा सुलभत्वानां मानसत्वात् कायश्चित्ताद्यपीडनात्. There are three ways to get me: karma yoga, dhyana yoga, bhakti yoga. The one who is not able to do any other yoga, they can do the bhakti yoga. There are three types of bhakti: tamasic, rajasic, sattvic. The one who do his bhakti to show to others that I am superior, I am doing bhakti, more like, capturing in the caves that I am doing sadhana, and the headlights in the newspaper. Or Mamta Banerjee is throwing that all these milk on Shivalinga, showing that I am doing sadhana. Right? That's the tamasic bhakti. The one who do bhakti to get his things done. Suppose any calamity came and I am going to do sadhana now. This astrologer I have visited, he told me to do Mahamrityunjay mantra. Now I am ready for Mahamrityunjay mantra, as if I am going to bring Shiva on this earth. That's the Rajasic Bhakti. Then comes the Sattvic Bhakti, where one accepts that whatever is going to happen to me, it's fine, it's my prarabdha, but I have to call upon Ma. I have to be with her. Everything belongs to her. I have to merge myself into her. That's the Sattvika Bhakti of Devi. And from the Sattvic Bhakti comes the Para Bhakti of Devi. Where what happens? What happens there? Devi tells in the Para Bhakti, Mad Guna Shravanam Nityam Mama Namanukirtanam Kalyana Guna Ratnanam Akarayam Mai Sthiram. That person gets delighted when he sings my names. He loses his senses. He dances. He cries. He forgets everything around him. With his hands raised, with voice, no one knows that kind of divine voice. He chants my name. He knows nothing about surrounding, what is going to happen. That's my Parabhakti. That person, the one who do such bhakti, Parabhakti, namate yajate chaivapyas chandalantam ishvara na kutrapi droha buddhim kurote bhevat varjanat. Such person who is devoted to me can never differentiate between anyone. No caste, no varna, nothing. Even a Chandala is worshipped by that person. Such is my Bhakta, the one who can worship a Chandala. All discriminations are gone here. That's the Parabhakti. But it comes with the state. If you are saying that I am doing Parabhakti and you are going to a Chandala to do the pranam, that showing people that I am doing Parabhakti, what is that? Tamasic Bhakti. Parabhakti, you don't know you are doing. But whoever is going to come, you will do pranam. You will see Devi only. That's the Parabhakti. That's the key of Parabhakti, that you don't know you are following Parabhakti. You can know I am doing Sattvic, Rajasic or Tamasic Bhakti, but Parabhakti, you become a Bhakta in that Parabhakti state, right? Okay. So I hope you are motivated, right? Are you motivated? Do you want to spend your time in sadhana? क्या आप देना चाहते हैं अपनी साधना के लिए टाइम? ठीक है,